Introducing the TotalWorx St. Jude Mop Kit, your comprehensive solution for maintaining pristine floors with ease and efficiency. Each kit is thoughtfully designed to provide everything you need for a superior clean, including an aluminum mop handle and head, a microfiber dry use pad, a microfiber damp use pad, and a 32-ounce bottle of Shop Floor's hard surface cleaner. Available in convenient cases of 6, the St. Jude Mop Kit is sold by the case only, ensuring you're always stocked and ready to tackle any cleaning challenge. The benefits of the microfiber mop in this kit are unparalleled. Lightweight and ergonomically designed, this mop is more absorbent than conventional mops, making it highly effective at grabbing and holding onto dirt, dust, and grease. The positively charged microfibers are perfect for attracting and capturing negatively charged dust particles, while their tiny structure allows them to penetrate and remove dust and dirt from even the small surface pores of most flooring materials. The aluminum pole extends up to 67 inches for maximum reach, and the oversized 18-inch wide mop head covers more ground, cleaning 20% faster than traditional mops. The 360-degree rotating and pivoting mop head allows for easy access to hard-to-reach areas, ensuring no corner is left untouched. Plus, the durable microfiber pads can be washed hundreds of times, providing long-lasting performance you can count on. Choose the TotalWorx St. Jude Mop Kit for a cleaning experience that's faster, easier, and more thorough than ever before.